everyone, a very good evening to all of you. Welcome to the Officers Adda 24/7, the special YouTube series of your LRB subject in the English medium language. So those candidates who are new in this session, as you can easily see that this is the last revision batch, that is a power pack revision batch in which we will complete your syllabus within a very short period of time, because we know that you have a very less time. So that's why we have just made a JIB power pack revision batch in the English medium for those candidates who are very easily understand the English language. So your PPP subject is already started, because we know that the PPP subject is little bit lengthy. AFB subject will be finished. It will be start from 7th of November, and LRB it will be start from 11th of November. So if you people are interested, you can just purchase this batch by using the code Y391. You can exactly get the 78% discount. So that's why this batch is very much important. And if you want to purchase a separate batch, so you can also purchase the separate batch. Suppose if you are feeling that my PPP subject is it's not up to the marks, so you can easily purchase a separate batch also. But anyhow, in this particular year you have to crack this JIB exam, because this is very important, because as you know that from the next year your whole syllabus first of all is going to be changed. Negative marks is coming, paper patterns are changing, so that's why this is very important from the examination point of view. Okay, so welcome to the Adda 24/7, and if you are new candidates, do not forget to subscribe our channel so that the notification will be automatically come in your mobile. Now, so we are doing the important questions of LRB. So let's start with the question, and very important questions we are doing. The number one question on the screen is that, see, a relationship between the person who have agreed to share the profit of the business is called partnership. So this definition is written under which section? We know that 2 to 4 question, that's come from the section based question. And you know that many candidates do not clear this exam because of these things. So that's why. So whether it is section 2, section 4, section 2 of Companies Act, and section 11 of the Companies Act, so you have to see this definition very carefully. Whatever the section that we have highlighted in the paid batch, only that section that section will become in your exam. So that's why this is very important. And if you have not taken the paid batch right now, so it's an opportunity. You can purchase the power pack revision batch, and it will be very in a discounted way if you use the code Y391. And so this question, now it's a time that by seeing the question you can easily recognize that from which act this question has been asked. So this question has been asked under the Indian Partnership Act 1932. As we know that this act was the part of Indian Contract Act, but in 1932 this act has been removed. Okay, so under the Indian Partnership Act, suppose X and Y are partners. So what is the main theme of partnership? The main theme is that it is a relationship between the person who have agreed to share the profit, share the loss of the business, called the partnership. So that is given under section 4 of the Indian Partnership Acts. Okay, so second B is the right answer. It means in the section 4 this topic has been given. Okay, that's good. Next. Which of the following is not correct regarding the registration of the partnership firm? So you have to identify the not correct thing. Okay, not correct thing. First option is registration is optional. Second is registered firm can sue other parties in its own name. C, bank can insist for registration of the firm as is provide sound legal base for the firm and beneficial both to the firm and the bank. And D is registration is possible with registrar of the firm. So which of the following is the right one? Which of the following is not correct regarding the registration of the partnership firm? As we know that if you talk about the partnership firm class. So in the partnership firm, that is optional that whether they can register or non-register. But under section 69 of the Indian Partnership Act, for the non-registration there are various consequences that the firm cannot file the case. Okay, so this is important from the examination point of view. So you have to tell me that which is of the following is not correct. Second one. And the bank will always deal, the bank will always deal with the registration of the firm which is registered. The firm which is registered. So which of the following is the right one? Okay, so for the second one, the exact answer is registration is optional. That is absolutely right. Registered firm can sue other parties in its own name. That is absolutely right. Okay, so A is right, B is right. Now the next one is the bank can insist for registration of the firm as it provide the sound legal base for the firm. No, the bank cannot. Nobody can insist. It's a, it's a duty. It's a, you can say, the discretion power of the partnership that whether they want to register or not. So that's why this is the C is the not a exact answer. Sorry, C is the exact answer. C is not the right one. So that's why C is the right answer. And D, the registration is possible with the registrar of firm. That is absolutely right. Okay, absolutely right. So that's why C is the wrong statement. So this is right one. Okay. So hope so you people understand this term. Next question. To bind other partners, a partner of a firm must act in usual course of business of the firm only, in usual way of doing the business only, as a partner on behalf of the firm, and not solely on the basis on this behalf only, and all of the above together. To bind the other partner, a partner of a firm must act what? Tell me the exact answer. To bind the other partner, a partner of a firm must act in the usual course of business of the firm only. This is absolutely right. In the usual way of doing the business only. This is absolutely right. As a partner on behalf of the firm, not solely on the behalf only. This is absolutely right. So that's why D is the right answer. The third one, D is the right answer. Okay, next. By action of one partner, in which of the following cases the other partner will not be liable? A. Withdrawal of suit filed in a court. Appointment of agent for the firm. C. Mortgage of property of the firm to secure a loan given to a partnership firm and to give guarantee on the behalf of firm when the firm is engaged in the business of giving the guarantees. The fourth question is very much important. By action of one partner, in which of the following cases the other partners will not liable? By action of one partner, in which of the following cases the other partners will not be liable? This one, withdrawal of suit filed in a court, appointment of agent for the firm, mortgage of property of the firm to secure the loan in a partnership, to give guarantee on the behalf of firm when the firm is engaged in the business of giving the guarantee. See, as we know that in the concept of the partnership, if suppose X, Y, Z are there, if X person, done the particular act, all the partners will be liable. You know this concept. So, but in this question, by the action of one partner, in which of the following case the other partner will be not liable. So, this question is the exception of the particular concept. So, you have to tell me this one. See class, in this one, the firm is engaged in the business of giving the guarantees. So this is not a exact one. In this one, the one partner will be not liable for the other partner's act. So that's why for the fourth one, D is the right answer, because in all the A, B, C, the partners are liable for the appointment of agent, mortgage of property of the firm, withdrawal of the suit filed in a suit. In all the cases, the partners will be liable. Okay. Next, if a partner of a firm become a insolvent, so which of the following is correct? If a partner of a firm become insolvent, the partnership continue, the operation in the account can be continued, the check signed by the insolvent partner can be paid, and none of the above. Fifth one, if a partner of a firm becomes insolvent, so which of the following is correct? See, what is the rule in the partnership form? The rule is that suppose if any partner become insolvent, if any partner become dead, so in all cases the first rule is that the partnership firm become dissolve. Okay, but if there is a in the partnership deed it is written that if any one partner dead, if any one partner insolvent, the partnership will be not end, so this line will be continue. So okay, so in that case the partnership continue, the operation in the account can be continued, the check signed by the insolvent partner can be paid, exactly because all other partners are liable. So none of the point is the right answer. Okay, everything, it's the first rule will be applied here. And what is the first rule? The first rule is that basically the firm will be shut down. Okay, next. It's a sixth question. Under a contract of guarantee, the liability of the bank giving a bank guarantee on the behalf of its customer, which of the following is the correct? First, the primarily liability to pay under the guarantee is that of borrower. The primarily liability to pay under the guarantee is that of bank. The primarily liability to pay under the guarantee is that of borrower, and secondary liabilities of bank. The primarily liability to pay under the guarantee is that of borrower and the bank. So which of the following is the right one? This topic that is taken from the contract of guarantee. Contract of guarantee that is given under section 126 of the Indian Contract Act, which talks about if for the default of principal debtor, the guarantor will come into picture. That is the sixth one. For the sixth one, see, this is the contract of guarantee. Principal debtor, creditor, guarantor. If principal debtor will not pay the money, the guarantor will come into picture. Right now, so first the primary liability to pay the guarantee is that of borrower. This is absolutely right. The primary liability to pay under the guarantee is that of bank. No. The primary liability to pay under the guarantee is that of borrower, and secondary is this. So C is the right one. Okay, C is the right answer. Okay, next. Which of the following is not an important feature of the Hindu undivided family? What is the full form? It's a Hindu undivided family. Got it? The family business or property is owned jointly by the co-partner. The co-partner have a common ancestor. The senior most co-partner is called Karta and manager. The females and the minor cannot become the Karta, although they can become the co-partner. So which of the following is the right one? And again I'm saying, if you are new in this channel and if you want to crack your, if you want to crack your this JAIIB exam, so especially for you people, if you are new, the power pack revision batch has been made, that is already started. The PPV subject is already started. So if you want to enroll, just go to the Adda app, download the Adda app in the mobile, okay, and while purchasing this course, use the code Y391 for the 78% discount. So for the seventh one, the exact answer is not an important. This is not an important feature, because now the female can also become the co-partner. Okay, the female can also become the co-partners. The seventh one, D, is the right answer. Now, which of the following is not an important feature about Karta? Which of the following is not an important feature about Karta? A. He has authority to manage the Hindu undivided business. His liability, like other co-partner, is limited to share in joint property business. He can appoint agent for Hindu undivided family business. He can take loan for Hindu undivided business. To secure such loan, he can create the charge on Hindu undivided property and business. So which of the following is the right one? Eighth. Which of the following is not an important feature about the Karta? He has authority to manage the Hindu undivided family business. His liability, like other co-partner, is limited to share in joint property and business. He can appoint agent for Hindu undivided family business, and he can take loan for Hindu undivided family business, and to secure such loan he can create the charge on this one. So for the eighth one, not an important, so this point is not an important feature, that his liability, like other co-partner, is limited to the share in joint property and business. So 81B is the right answer. 81B is the right answer. Okay, that's cool. Next, which of the following is not an important feature of the company? Okay, you have to now revise the features of company. A company is a juristic person created by law. Company has a perpetual succession, which means it's continue even when there is a no shareholder. Company has a common seal distinct from its member, and none of the above. Ninth one. Ninth one. The exact answer is not an important. Company is a juristic person created by law. This is important. Company has a perpetual succession, which means it's continue even when there is a no shareholder. Exactly. Okay. Company has a common seal distinct from its member. Exactly. So I think all are the important features. So none of the above. Ninth, D is the right answer. For the ninth one, D is the right answer. Okay. Because company is a juristic. Exactly. It is an artificial legal person. Company has perpetual succession, which means it continue even when there is a no shareholder. Exactly. Company has a common seal distinct from the member. Exactly. So D is the right answer. Okay. Now, the number of partner in the partnership firm, minimum 2, maximum 50. 20 in the case of banking business, 10 for other business. 20 in case of banking business and other business, and 10 in the case of banking business and for the other business. So which of the following is the right one? 10th one. For the 10th one, A is the right answer. Minimum 2 and maximum 50. Okay, A is the right answer. Next. The provision relating to the number of partners and the partnership form is given under which section? Sections are not important, but this topic is important. Section 11 of Indian Contract Act, 4 of Indian Partnership Act, 11 of Companies Act, or 11 of Indian Evidence Act. Which of the following is the right one? 11th. The provision relating to the number of partner in the partnership form is given as per, the exact answer is 11th one. It's not Partnership Act, not Evidence Act, not Indian Contract. It's a Company Act. Section 11, Company Act is the right answer. Next. The minimum number of members of a company should be 7 in private, 2 in public. 2 in private, 7 in public. 2 in private, 3 in public, 7 in private as well as in public. If we talk about the private company, minimum 2, maximum 200. Sorry, 200. Okay. And for the directors, it's a minimum 2, maximum 15. If we talk about the public one, member, minimum 7, maximum unlimited. Directors, minimum 3 and the maximum is 15. So these are the members and this one. Okay. Public and private one. So for the 12th one, B is the right answer. Next. That's it. So hope so you people like the session, and if you want to get enrolled in this Power Pack Bash, so simply what you have to do, go to the Adda site. Okay. As you can see that, click on all courses, JAIIB, CAIIB, English medium. So if you click on English medium, guys, so you can see here, this is the Power Pack revision batch. Okay, my batch, my class will be start from 11th of November. As you can see here, the timing will be 6 a.m. to 7:30 a.m. Okay, from the 11th November. So if you want to join, click on view offer, then put the coupon code, that is Y391. Click on apply and just use the 77% discount. The actual price is 919 is the actual price of this batch. Okay, and you can see the study plan here. The batch is very useful because it's cover everything. Within 7 to 10 days we will cover every topic. So that's why if you want to get enrolled, use the code